Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve exercise 8A from new syllabus 1 7th edition. Okay, exercise 8A question number 1. Question number 1 says express each of the following percentages as a fraction. So here what does 28% means? 28% means actually 28 by 100. Now if we want to find out the lowest term, then we need to divide both numerator and denominator by 4. So 4 7 is 28, 4 25 is 100. 158% can be written as 158 by 100. Now, if we divide both numerator and denominator by 2, then we'll get 79 by 50. Then we need to convert into mix, then it will be 1 whole 29 by 50. Number C we can solve it in this way. 12.4% can be written as 12.4 divided by 100. Okay, and we know that 12.4 can be also written as 124 by 10 into 100. Now we need to cancel. After cancelling 124 and 1000, then the lowest term will be 16 by 125. And number D says 6 whole 3 by 5%. So 6 whole 3 by 5%, at first we need to convert this mix to improper. So 5 6 are 30 plus 3 33. Percentage means divided by 100. Okay. Now the answer will be 33 by 500. And this is the solution of question number 1. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 says, express each of the following percentages as a decimal. So here, 4% can be written as 4 by 100. And if we divide any number by 100, then we need to put a point before 2 digits. So answer will be 0.04. Here, 633% means 633 by 100. Then, if we want to convert into decimal, it will be 6.33. Number C, 0.02% can be written as 0.02 by 100. Then the decimal number will be 0.0002. And number D, 33 whole 2 by 3% can be written as 333 is the 99 plus 2 101. So 101 by 3, then the denominator will be multiplied by 100. Now, if we want to convert this one into decimal, then by using calculator, we can find out 0.337. And that is the solution of question number 2. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 says, express each of the following fractions as a percentage. To convert into percentage, just we need to multiply by 100. 100%. Okay. Then 100 by 5 will be 20. 23 is 60%. 9 by 10 into 100%. So you can write 100 by 10 is 10. 9 10 is 90%. Number C says 6 by 125%. So 6 multiplied by 100% by 125. Now we need to cancel the values. 25 4 is 100. 25 5 is 125. So we'll get 6 4 is 24 by 5%, and 24 by 5% can be written as 4.8%. 6 by 5 multiplied by 100%. 100 by 5 will be 20. 26 is 120%. Number E, 12 divided by 25 multiplied by 100%. So if we cancel 100 by 25, it will be 4. 4 12 is 48%. Then this one, 25 on the 25 plus 6 31. Now we need to convert into percentage. So we'll just multiply by 100. So 100 by 25 is 4. So 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. 124% will be the final answer of this question. Now 4A. 4A says 0.78. We need to convert these decimals as a percentage. So 0.78 into 100%. Now we know that when we multiply any decimal number by 100, then point will just move 2 digits on right side. So it will be 78%. Similarly, 0.25 into 100% can be written as 25%. Similarly, 0.07 into 100% will be 7%. Simple. 0.095. This one, if you just multiply this one by 100%, it will be 9.5%. Okay, just move two digit on right side. 1.35 multiplied by 100% can be written as 135%. And 2.6 multiplied by 100% can be written as 260%. And that is the solution of question number 4.